This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus from dried chickpeas. First, let's prepare our chickpeas. For every 1 cup of dried chickpeas, you will need 3 cups of water. Place them in a large bowl and let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 to 12 hours. This crucial step rehydrates the chickpeas, significantly reducing their cooking time and ensuring a wonderfully creamy hummus. It also helps improve their digestibility, making your homemade hummus even more enjoyable. After soaking, drain and rinse your chickpeas thoroughly. Transfer them to a large pot and cover with fresh water, ensuring there are at least 2 inches of water above the chickpeas. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the water. This helps break down the chickpea skins, resulting in an incredibly smooth hummus. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 90 minutes, or until they are very tender and easily mashable. Now for the magic. Drain your cooked chickpeas, reserving some of the cooking liquid. In a food processor, combine the warm, tender chickpeas with 1/2 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 large lemon, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Process until smooth, gradually adding 2 to 4 tablespoons of ice-cold water or reserved cooking liquid. This cold liquid helps create that signature light and airy texture we all love in hummus. Finally, it's time to season and serve your delicious homemade hummus. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin to your preference. Transfer your creamy hummus to a serving bowl. Create a swirl on top with the back of a spoon, drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, and garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or fresh chopped parsley. Enjoy with warm pita bread or crisp vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.